everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Valentine's Day video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's Day donut surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Valentine's Day donut surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by making a heart-shaped donut. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to curve up and down. And then I'm going to curve this up and down again. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to kind of keep it a little bit rounder, and then I'm going to bring this up. Didn't make it so pointy because we're making this into a donut shape. Next, in the middle here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down, and then up and down here. And then same thing here, just kind of go down and up to kind of create that heart shape. Next, starting here, let's make the icing. So I'm going to start here, and we're just going to make a wiggly line. That's just going to go all the way to here. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down and then up here, just to make that donut look a little bit more 3D. Next, let's put a little face up here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye, and then I'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to leave, or make two little circles in here and then leave both of those white. Same thing here, two circles, color round, and leave the rest of it white. I'm going to make a little line across with a line that comes down and up for the mouth. I'll do a little curve, and then we can color this part in for the mouth and the tongue. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we have it opened up, we have two halves of our donut. So let's start here with the middle part. Let's begin by bringing this up and down. Then we're going to come up and down again to connect. We'll make another curve up here, and then one right here. I'm going to make that other little curve shape right here. Now let's make another face. This time let's make a circle for the eye with two circles inside of it. And then we can color in that middle part. Then over here we're going to make a little winky eye. And then we're going to make two bumps for like some kissy lips on there. Now, over here, let's go ahead and make another donut. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a nice big circle for a donut here. Then I'm going to make a circle inside here. Then starting here, we're going to make a little wiggly line and one here for some icing. And then a little curve here. Now, I'm going to add some little wings onto this donut. So I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out, and it's going to come down. Same thing here, we're just going to go out and down. Then we're going to make some little bumps. And same thing here, some little bumps. Then right here, we're going to make a circle for the eye, and then another circle for an eye. We'll do that same thing we've been doing, kind of leaving 2 parts white and then coloring in the middle. And then we'll just draw a line with a smiley face and a sad face for the tongue, and we'll kind of color in the rest of this. Now let's make another donut over here. So right here, let's go ahead and let's make a line that's just going to curve and come down to here. Then right here, we're going to make a little curve. Then over here, we're going to draw a line across. Then we're going to make a line that comes down and up, and another one that goes down and up for some sunglasses. We'll make 2 lines here for the reflection, and a little line here. Then we're going to make a little smile. And then we're going to make a little wiggly line for some frosting. And another little curved line here. Next, starting over here, we're going to make another donut. So we're just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and down. And then we're just going to make a little curve for the donut. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come in and out, and then another one's going to come in and out. Make a line across with a smile, sad face, and then we'll kind of color this in. Then starting here, we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to bring this line down. Then we're going to bring this line down and this line down. We're going to continue this wiggly line and this wiggly line here for some frosting. Next, let's do another donut here. Let's draw a small circle, and then we're going to make a bigger circle here. We're going to make a wavy line for some icing. And then we're going to make 2 circles for eyes, coloring in most of it, leaving a little bit white. And then we're going to do a little cute face like that on there. And we'll do a little curve here. Then finally over here we'll do one more. We'll do a little curve here. And then we're going to do a big curve right here. We'll make that small curve for the icing. And then we're going to do a little bit more icing up there. And then right here we're going to make 2 eyes. We're going to make a circle here and a circle here. We'll do our 2 white circles and color the rest black. And then we'll just do a cute little smile right there. Then on top of here, we're going to make like a little rose. So what I'm going to do is just to make a little spiral shape like this. Then a line that comes down. We'll curve a line on each side. Then we'll bring this in. Then we'll do a little curve on each side, and then one more for like a little rose on top of there. Then to add some detail to some of these, you can do different things. Like we can put some little like heart sprinkles on this one. We're just going to put them all around here. And then you can do different things too. You can make like icing drizzle on there, you can do sprinkles, you can do lots of things. And there you go. Here is your drawing of a Valentine's Day donut surprise fold. We have it all folded up. We have a cute little heart donut, and then when you open it, there's a bunch of Valentine's Day donuts in there. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.